Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately we do not really have to do a lot. All we have to do in order to kind of virus scan and check whether our device is safe is to enter the settings and then in this left section scroll down to find the battery and device care. Then let's tap on device protection and tap on turn on. Tap on turn on. And as you can see here, we've got this kind of preliminary information that no threats has been found. However, I highly recommend to tap on scan tablet. And as you can see, your device will right now scan itself. So it will scan all of the apps, all of the areas of your device, all of the processes and components in order to check whether you've got any kind of viruses, malware or problems. If not, your device will show you this information again that everything is okay. If it will find anything, it will of course inform you and it will show you some possible steps which you can take in order to get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.